Well, hello and welcome back to Dr. Davidson's little spiel on how to get started with Cal State Teach. And what I'd like to do right now is take you back to the resources section, and then I'm going to take you to the webmail section. In resources, it's very important that you find the student handbook because this is the program handbook right here. The program handbook provides you with all the information about Cal State Teach, what your roles and responsibilities are, what our roles and responsibilities are as faculty and the university, um, how grades are challenged, how you get fee waivers in the event you have to go on a leave of absence, how to drop a class, what probation is, grade appeals, and so on. This is the way that you can make sure that you are fulfilling your responsibilities as a student, and we are fulfilling our responsibility as faculty and institution. Also, in this handbook, you will also read about the responsibilities as a teacher in the classroom. Remember that when you are in the classroom, you are representing the university, um, especially as a teacher who is going to be a cooperating teacher. And that is one who is not an intern. And I'll take this time right now to explain the differences between an intern teacher and a cooperating teacher. An intern teacher is a teacher who has a job with a school district. That person is on the payroll as what they call the teacher of record. The teachers that are not that, our teachers are called cooperating teachers, and you are placed in the classroom as a volunteer teacher, helping a mentor teacher to show you what school is like and to help get you acquainted to uh, to school in general, working with children, and so on. So let's go to term one. And they're just some forms I just want to make sure that you understand. There obviously is a drop and add in the event that something comes up and you must drop a class, and heaven forbid that that should happen. What I'd like to let you know, is that you will be requested, and it's required by law, to fill out a student timesheet. And what happens is you come into the classroom, you every time you are there, you will fill out the timesheet. So it has your name, your faculty's name, me, the site mentor, who is your cooperating teacher, and the school site. As a term one student, you will be required to work between 6 and 12 hours a week, depending on the circumstances. And you would fill this out as you are a term 1A or a term 1 student. And then the day that you come in, this is a week, so the days for the week, the time in, time out, how many hours you accumulated that week, your site mentor must initial, and then you initial. You keep this as a running record, and then at the end of the term, you hand this in, or you upload it to your faculty advisor. So I just want to familiarize you with that. In addition to that, no, I do not. You will also have a, what happened to that? The timesheets. Let's go back. I lost it. Term one. Sorry about that. You have your timesheets. You have observation forms. And when you are going to be observed, once by your site mentor, and once by, and for at least 4 times by your faculty advisor. So at the end of the term, you will get something from your site, your mentor teacher, excuse me, from your faculty advisor that tells you it's time for your site mentor to fill out their observation form. You'll come here and you will get that information as well. So, right, I'm not going to hold for this because we are taping, but I wanted you to know where you get those. The other thing is, we will also have the information on how you go and at the Apple Store. This is a link to the Apple Store where you will purchase your iPad. And so you will receive a coupon for this after your fees are paid, usually the second week, after the second week of school. And if you want to, you can upgrade your iPad. That's your choice. And then you go over here for the iPad as well, and it tells you how to go about actually ordering your iPad and getting started with your iPad. So you will find that there as well. Now I want to take you quickly to the website. And in the website, right here, you see this is a very active website. You have your inbox, drafts, sent mail, and trash. This is where you will compose, and if you want to write somebody something, me something. If you need an address, you can come here, you click address, you go to your address book, you can get, it'll say make Hamanex students. You can click here and you can list everyone. Right now I don't have any students, so there's nobody there. Or you can put in a person's name, such as I wrote Alice, and then I can go to the Monterey region and I can ask it to list everybody that's there, or I can quickly look and just get Dr. Alice. So this is where, and then once you find the addresses you want, if you list all, you click on the ones you want. If there's several, if you just want one, you click on that one, and then you say use address, and then that will go, and then you type your letter. You may receive letters from us that have a priority on them, which will be high, normal, or low. Most of the time I will send you normal. Sometimes I will send you high, and then I will also ask you upon receipt to do certain things. If you are going to be adding a file, you come down here below your composition. Hi, it's me. And you click on browse, which will then get you to your desktop. And from your desktop, you can upload what you need to upload. So I will just go ahead to my desktop and upload something so you can see the other thing that you have to do. Okay. So I open it. Now it goes into this area here, but I must also click add. Once I click add, now you will see it has been added down here. All right, and then you click send, but I'm not going to click send because I don't want to click this for Dr. Alice. So that's how you use the website. It's very important that you use this website in order to communicate with me or with any faculty member about Cal State Teach Business. This is the required site. Your personal site is nice, but in order for us to conduct business, you do need to be on your required website. So that's how you use the website. That's how you can order your iPads, and that's how you can find your resources. I do hope that you have a nice day, and I will be preparing more of these for you so that you will be able to have access and fully use our website for your success. Thank you and goodbye.